When you get the articulated work rest system, at first things might look kind of confusing and intimidating. It's actually pretty simple, and I'll walk you through some of the steps. The first thing that I do is mount the stub shaft on the bottom of the work rest table. This is held in place with 4 small cap screws, and you'll need an Allen wrench. Simply bolt it in place, tighten things up, and then move on to the other parts. Here's the basic idea of showing how the system works. Each link will accept a locking lever, and then when the locking lever is tightened up, it will clamp up on the shaft or the pin that goes into it. This makes it very quick and easy to adjust each joint. From here, you can add different links together to build the rest of the system. It's kind of like a box of Legos where there's just unlimited combinations. Have fun playing with all the different combinations and getting a feel for how things fit together. Once you're finished, you might consider this combination. This one works for me. I take one of the links and I put 2 locking levers on it. I take the other link and I mount 2 pins, and these are fixed, held in place with a bolt. And on the knuckle, I'll put 1 pin with a bolt and 1 locking lever. On the tooling arm, just a locking lever. At the grinder, put the tooling arm into the lower receiver with the locking lever facing down, and then put the link in that has the pins only. Then put the second link with the locking levers, and notice that the locking levers are facing down. This kind of makes them very accessible and keeps everything out of the way. Then add the knuckle, and notice that I put the knuckle on with the locking lever on the right side, which keeps it clear and out of the way. Notice the range of motion here. This is just only one combination of many hundreds of thousands. Put the work rest table on and play around with it some more. You may find something that works better for you, but this is just an idea to get you started. And here's another angle. That's enough demonstrating and playing around. Let's go into the shop and actually put it to use. We hope this video has been helpful. We've had several of you ask about it. As always, please leave us a comment down below to let us know what you think, and always feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions. We're always glad to help. And again, click to like us, and thanks for watching.